Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. Today we will be going over basic guidelines installing the Arnott new rear air strut for the Tesla Model S 5YJS pre-facelift with and without Performance Plus. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a safe and effective replacement. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by raising the vehicle. Now deflate and disable the air suspension system according to the manufacturer's instructions. Remove the applicable rear wheel and the wheel well liner. Next, remove the air fitting from the strut. Disconnect the electric parking brake harness. Remove the strut lower mounting bolt. Now use a suitable pry bar to push down on the wheel hub. Pull the lower strut knuckle forward and over to the side of the wheel hub. Remove the 3 top mount nuts. Also, remove the strut from the vehicle. The removal is now complete. During the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications. First note the orientation of the top plate. Then remove the top plate from the OEM strut. Install the plate onto the new Arnott strut using the included nuts. The plate should be oriented with the air fitting between the 2 nearest ears. Install the new Arnott strut into the vehicle. Also install the 3 included top mount nuts. Install the lower mount bolt. Reconnect the electronic parking brake harness. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Now, insert the airline into the air fitting and inflate the air suspension system per manufacturer's instructions. You can now reinstall the wheel, which completes the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing a Tesla air strut with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.